Hello everyone and welcome to another newsletter here from Nordic Anglers. My name is Daniel and today I want to show you a bit of stuff we've just put on sale and things. The first thing is this is the Renzetti Clouser Vise. We basically have a few too many of these in stock, so we've decided to reduce the price on these. This is not something that is normally on sale, but what the Clouser Vise is basically instead of having the V shape on your jaws here, like on the regular Renzetti vises, this has a straight arm. This makes it ideal for tying really large flies because you have a lot of room here at the back, but it also makes it ideal for tying tube flies, for instance. If you attach a tube fly needle to this vise, then it will be completely centered and aligned. If I do this the right way, it's a bit the setup here, but you get the idea. So you can now get a Renzetti vise at a discounted price at Nordic Anglers. These works really well for ordinary flies as well, as you can see with this one. The only thing that is with this here is it's slightly off-centered when you use the rotation, but a lot of people, I think, if they tried these out, would prefer these because it holds the fly really well and it gives you a lot of movement, way of moving here on the back. Also, we have a lot of these arms, basically just the arm that allows you to transform your current Renzetti vise into a Clouser vise if you like that. So you can just buy this arm here and it's available for both masters, presentation, and for travelers. And these we have also marked down quite steeply. So if you want to try this out and have a Renzetti vise already, you can now buy the extension arm here for the Clouser configuration really cheaply. So swing by Nordic Anglers to either get a Clouser vise at an extremely good price or one of these arms for your current Renzetti vise. We also have a really large selection of fishing gloves. In particular, these kinetic ones are merino wool. They are very nice and in good quality, and the price is very low. They're less than 15 euros, I think. Or 16, something along those lines. Very nice gloves, and also my favorite gloves, which are these Sims Gore Windstopper ones. Perfect for fishing. They give a lot of warmth, a lot of comfort, and you still have all the feeling and movement to do all your casting and retrieving and stuff. So during the winter, that's something I've been using for before, but I'm getting older as well, and a pair of gloves where you have the fingertips free is a perfect and ideal things for this winter fishing. Which leads me to the next warm thing I wanted to show you. These are the Sims Fjord pants. This is basically the thickest fleece pants I have ever seen. They have some really nice details with an integrated belt here, some pockets and some reinforcements on the knees, and also they have the straps so you can put them under your heel and make sure they do not wrinkle and move upwards. But this is the quality of fleece here is really great, and these are the thickest pants I've ever seen, and I simply just enjoy so much using mine in this really cold fishing, because we sell a lot of these and every single one that buy these are happy because they stop freezing. Simple as that. So if you're looking for something to put underneath your waders in the winter month, then the Fjord pant is definitely a must-have. Lastly, I want to show you something that is on sale. We have a few of the whiting American roosters. We have a bit too many of in stock. So while stock lasts, these are on sale, and these are marked down really long way. So if you're in the market for some of the biggest, best, and greatest rooster capes out there, then the whiting American rooster is definitely the best bet out there. And now some of these colors are marked down in the shop. Also, I have a very limited, just in a few Cree, both saddles and capes. These are normally, these are items that are very rarely available. So if you're in the market for a real whiting Cree cape or a real whiting Cree saddle, then now's the time to act, because, as I said, these normally sell out within days of arriving here. So I just wanted to show you these and say, now I have some, so if you want some, go and get some. We also have a bit too many of it, a lot of different whiting dry fly capes. So some of these has been marked a little down as well. These are of course perfect and wonderful for all your dry flies and even for some for streamers as well. The larger feathers up here could be used for body hackles on saltwater streamers and also for salmon and sea trout flies. So now also on sale a few of the whiting dry fly stuff, both in the Hebert series but also in the Red Label series. And that about concludes what I had on my heart today. Of course, the winter fishing here in Denmark is tough and cold and not a lot of fish, but you every now and then one of these really big silver shiny bombs are caught, so it's well worth the effort. And I've sent my colleague Christopher out to see if he could find one today. But all the things you saw in this video are available at Nordic Anglers, so please swing by there to see our big selection, and hopefully you'll find something that suits your fancy. And if you do so, then we thank you very much for choosing Nordic Anglers as your fly shop. Thank you for watching, and good luck out on the water.